In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header row in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature that ensures your data is organized and easy to read, especially for those large spreadsheets where you need to keep track of various columns of information. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new sheet through Google Drive. It's really simple. Just click on the New button and select Google Sheets. Once you're in your sheet, your first task is to select the cell or cells where you intend to create your header. So click on a cell at the top of your sheet, usually row 1, which is perfect for your header titles. If your spreadsheet already has data, consider which row you'd like to use as your central point of reference. Selecting the right cell is crucial as it directs all subsequent formatting and freezing of the header row. Next, let's focus on the font size. Head over to the toolbar where you'll likely see a default font size set. Click on it and select a larger size to make your headers stand out. You want them to be prominent and easily readable, so don't be shy to make them a bit bigger than your regular cell text. After adjusting the font size, consider adding a fill color to your column header. This creates a visual distinction between the header row and the rest of your data. It's not just about making the spreadsheet look appealing. It also enhances readability and organization. Simply click on the Fill Color option in the toolbar and pick a color that complements your spreadsheet's theme. A light shade usually works best, something that makes the text pop. With your cell or cells styled, click on the row number itself. This is usually the number 1 on the far left of your sheet. Clicking this will select the entire row. Now, we'll proceed to the crucial part, which is ensuring this header row stays put when you're scrolling through your data. Go over to the View menu at the top of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Freeze option. Click on it and select Up to Row 1. By doing this, you're telling Google Sheets to keep your header row visible at all times, even when navigating through large amounts of information. And there you have it. You've successfully created a header row in your Google Sheet, giving your file a neat and professional look, making it easier to understand at a glance. This small addition can significantly enhance your workflow, ensuring that no matter how much data you have, you'll always know exactly what each column represents. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.